Hi, thanks for joining me today. Today's painting is done on an 18 by 24 inch. I think it's an MDF panel. It's called an artist panel. It's very heavy duty. It's heavy. And so I've never worked on one of these before. And I previously did a painting under it that I didn't like. And so then I gessoed it, and then I used for the first time modeling compound, and I put texture on it and in the shape and form of a wave. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, and I will catch up with you later. I'm now just using titanium white and the Prussian blue and the black just to create different colors and variations in the wave. I'm trying to use a light touch with the white here so that the white would be picked up only by the ridges from the modeling compound. And I discovered that actually just using the flat side of the brush and lightly going over the top, then the paint would catch on the, parts that were sticking up the ridges. So it's the next day, and I'm really happy with the way this is looking. Unfortunately, the camera, I received a phone call, and so the camera cut off, and I didn't know I was not filming. But I added Fine Gold by Golden to parts of the wave, and then also in the black area I added some gold too, to make it look like like light from the moon. And then I had white also, just to make it look like moonlight. So anyway, here's the final dried piece, and I'm really happy with it. I can't wait to do another textured painting. So you'll have to let me know what you think about it. Oh, I also added like flicks of white paint to make it look like stars in the dark area. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, and take care. Bye.